Hey crafters, welcome to another episode of Spooktober, and this one is going to be a little bit different. I wasn't really planning on doing this, but I decided I wanted to make something special for my wife for Halloween because it is one of her favorite seasons. So I wanted to make a Halloween trinket tray. I wanted to make a pumpkin, is my thought process here. So I'm just going to do this as like an impromptu thing, because I wasn't really planning on doing it. But I'm just going to go ahead and do it right now. And this is probably going to go up on Halloween or something similar, but she'll get it before then. But I think it's going to be pretty cute, so that's what I wanted to do. I wanted it to have like a pumpkin patch theme. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. And I think it's going to look pretty cute. At least I hope it will anyway. But you'll see the final results. I'm probably not going to do a lot of commentary on this one. I'm just going to probably end the commentary after this little segment because I just want to do it. But I will record everything and just upload it as a commentary-less video for the most part. But I do hope that you guys enjoy. And if you do, please do hit that like button. I really do appreciate it. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, so it's been a couple of days and our pumpkin trinket tray has been finished, and this is really cool. I think it's actually set in quite well, and I think my wife is really going to appreciate this one. She's always got a lot of little pieces of jewelry. These earrings I made, but she's got a lot of little things, and I think this is going to work out quite well for what we have here, and this is going to keep her from losing anything important. So I think that worked out quite well. It's a pretty easy project. I would say overall it took maybe like 3 hours, less than 3 hours. I'd say more closer to like an hour and a half, because 45 minutes maybe to shape the clay, and then another hour and a half to make the paint everything. So it wasn't too hard, but I do hope that you guys appreciate this, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you have, maybe you would consider hitting that like button and subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. And if you want to start your own projects, you can find that in the link in the description below, as far as the materials and things that I use to make these kind of projects. And also feel free to let me know what other projects you'd like to see me make. I do have a long list of projects that I do have in mind, but it's always good to have a little bit more inspiration and have more ideas on what things that I could make. And I really do appreciate any ideas you may have. But, as always, I hope you all have a wonderful day.